Let's analyze the diode VI characteristic. Here's a simple test circuit. We use a variable voltage source, and our goal is to measure two things: the voltage across the diode and the current flowing through it as we change the voltage. To do that, we connect a voltmeter across the diode and an ammeter in series with it. Now, as we slowly vary the source voltage, we record the voltage across the diode and the current through it. Then we plot those values on a VI graph, voltage on one axis, current on the other. We start at 0 volts. With no source voltage, the voltage across the diode and the bulb is also 0, so there's no current flowing. As we begin increasing the voltage, something interesting happens, or rather nothing happens at first. Even as the voltage rises, the current stays essentially at 0. This continues until we reach about 0.7 volts. Right around 0.7 volts, the behavior suddenly changes. The current starts increasing very rapidly, almost like the diode has flipped from an open switch to a closed one. At this point, we say the diode is forward biased. For a typical silicon diode, about 0.7 volts must be applied in the correct direction for significant current to flow. This voltage is called the knee voltage, or cut-in voltage. It's the minimum voltage where the diode really starts conducting, and the current shoots up quickly. Now let's reduce the voltage and reverse the polarity. On the negative side of the graph, we usually need a much larger voltage scale than on the positive side. So instead of 1 volt per division, we might use 10 volts per division. As we apply reverse voltage, almost no current flows, no matter how much we increase it. The diode now behaves like an open switch. This condition is called reverse bias. If we keep pushing the reverse voltage higher and higher, the diode eventually reaches its limit. At a certain point, it suddenly begins to conduct. That voltage is called the breakdown voltage. Beyond this point, the diode no longer acts like a one-way valve. So this graph summarizes the basic VI relationship of a diode. With forward voltage, the diode behaves almost like a closed switch once it passes the knee voltage. With reverse voltage, it behaves almost like an open switch, right up until breakdown. For most ordinary diodes, reaching breakdown usually destroys the device. But for Zener diodes, this breakdown region is actually used on purpose to create a stable, regulated voltage. And one more thing to remember, even in reverse bias, a tiny leakage current still flows. If you're ready to really master diodes and protect your circuits, check out our full deep dive video.